Okay. All right. So welcome everybody. Thank you for coming. Let's just do a quick warm up by going around the room and let's talk about which is your favorite season and why. So personally for me, I really like autumn, or Americans say fall. I like it because of the color of the trees and because it's not so hot. It's not too hot like summer can be, but it's not too cold either. And there's lots of great fruit like pears and apples that are ready in autumn. So that's why autumn is my favorite season. So let's just go around the room and tell us whether you like autumn, spring, winter, or summer, and tell us a little bit about why, if you feel like it. So let's go to Olenka. Would you like to start?
Hello.
Hello.
I like summer the most because it's warm, no much clothes, and also I have a vacation on summer, and I like spring too, because after spring comes summer. About winter, I afraid of winter because it's frost. So
Because
hello?
of the snow.
Snow and frost.
Oh, snow and frost. I see. Yeah, I see.
Cold.
Cold. Yeah, very cold. Cool. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Let's go, Yuri.
Hello.
Hello.
I love spring because was not so hot, and there are trees and lot of green.
Yeah, lots of green. That's good.
Yeah, but my daughter, my kids loves winter. The kids love playing in the snow.
Yeah. They probably love Christmas as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
That's all. Thanks.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right. How am I going to do this? Alexander, number one.
Hello everyone. My favorite season is summer, because I live in Odessa. I like go to the beach, and hot weather for me it's not problem.
Great. That's good. Okay, so Alexander too.
Hello. My favorite season is summer because it's hot. I like travel in summer, and I like rest in summer.
Cool. Do you mind telling us which region you're from? Then I can say Alexander from Odessa or Alexander from
Dnipro.
Dnipro. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. And then last Alexander, is that Alexander from Zaporizhia?
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Actually, I like all season. If we speak about spring and fall or autumn, I like they because I can have wonderful fishing. I like it.
Yeah.
If we speak, my favorite season is winter because I really like skiing. And if we speak about summer, summer is favorite my daughter's favorite seasons because we can have sea vacation and it's great. So I like all seasons. So yeah.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. So I just want to briefly make a distinction between two types of words that we are going to use. So we can talk about nouns, for example, sunshine. This is a thing, but we can also describe the weather or the day as being sunny. So often when we use an adjective, this is a word that describes a noun, we'll put a Y at the end of it. So sunshine or the sun is the noun. And then to describe something as being sunny, we put Y on the end of it. So let's go through some of these words in this list and decide whether we're talking about a noun or an adjective. So I'll put the first example in here for us so we can add to the list of nouns sunshine. An adjective is sunny. Does everyone understand the difference? Just let me know if you don't, if it's not doesn't make sense. Otherwise, I'll go through the list. And we have somebody new in the class. Cool. Let's start with Yuri this time. So cold, is that going to be an adjective?
Coldy.
Sorry?
Coldy, no?
So this one's actually a different one. Coldy, no. Unfortunately, it's an irregular one. So cold can actually be both noun and an adjective, but no, we're pretty funny if we said coldly. Yeah. Okay. Why don't you try hot? Is that going to be an adjective or a noun?
Is it both variants, nouns and adjectives?
No,
Or
so
not?
noun version, it would be heat, and the adjective is hot. So those are the two irregular ones, cold and hot. Okay, how about rain and rainy?
Rain is nouns.
Yep.
Rainy is adjectives.
Yeah, cool. All right. What about wind and windy?
Wind is nouns.
Mm-hmm.
Windy is adjectives.
Yeah. So sometimes it's quite obvious and then sometimes it's not. Okay, let's have somebody else. Maybe Alexander from Odessa. Let's put storm and stormy into either noun or adjectives.
Okay, storm is nouns.
Yep.
And stormy is adjectives.
Okay. Alexander from Dnipro. Snow and snowy.
Snow, it's nouns. And snowy adjectives.
Okay. Alexander from Zaporizhia, where would you put mild? Mild. You're saying the weather is mild today.
I think it's adjective.
Yes, that's right. You can also describe a curry as mild, just by the way. Okay. Olenka, how about humidity? humidity.
It's adjective. I don't know what does it mean.
What it means? Okay, let's grab a
Humidity.
translator. Humidity.
Oh, yes.
Вологість.
Volohist. Okay, so
Mhm.
this one's another tricky one. Even though it's got a Y at the end of it, this one's actually a noun. This one's a noun. Okay. Why can't I move you away again? Okay, so humidity is a noun. Why don't you try fog?
Fog is noun.
Yep, fog is a noun. And it's not on the list here, but we can also use it as an adjective and it becomes foggy. Foggy. So the day is foggy. Okay. How about freezing? Does anyone
Adjective.
yeah?
This noun is frost.
Yeah, frost. Maybe frost. Okay, what have we missed out? I think we've got everything here. Okay, cool. All right, let's move on to the next exercise. So this one's going to be some listening. So I'm going to read the paragraph and then you're going to tell me which picture to match it up to. And how many people have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got enough for one each. Let's start with Yuri. I'll read this one here. It's a rainy day. The rain is pouring and the streets are wet. She walked home in the pouring rain, drenched from head to toe. Which picture would this be?
Picture 4.
4, yeah, that's right. Okay, Alexander from Dnipro. Cloudy weather. The sky is overcast today. Thick clouds cover the sun. It's a gloomy morning with gray clouds filling the sky.
It's picture 2.
That's great. Olenka, windy weather. The wind is blowing fiercely, making the trees sway. We had to hold on to our hats because of the strong wind.
Picture number 1.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, Alexander from Zaporizhia. The snow is falling gently, blanketing the ground. Children are building snowmen in freshly fallen snow.
It's third picture.
Great. Okay, now let's go to Tatiana. Tatiana, welcome. Stormy weather. It's a stormy night with thunder and lightning flashing across the sky, sorry. The heavy rain and strong winds indicate an approaching storm.
Picture is 2.
Yes, that's right. Oops. Okay. Alexandra from Odessa. Hot weather. The sun is scorching and the air is sweltering. We enjoyed ice cream to cool off in the intense heat.
Picture 1.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yuri, have you had a turn? Cold weather. The temperature dropped significantly and it's freezing outside. We bundled up in warm coats and scarves to stay cozy in the cold.
Number 4.
Yeah, right. Has everybody had a turn now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think everyone's turn. Cool. Okay, so the last one is mild weather. It's a mild day with a pleasant breeze and comfortable temperatures. The weather is perfect for a leisurely outdoor picnic. Okay, so now that we've been through some of these nouns and adjectives, and you've listened to me describing different types of days, let's go through the room and have just some short sentences about the weather in your region today. So here's an example. It is a sunny day, the sun is shining and the sky is clear. So try to give me as much detail as you can about the weather in your region today. And why don't we start with Alexander from Zaporizhia.
Today was sunny day. We didn't have a wind, so the weather wasn't windy. And I think it's untypical for us because today is November 6th. So it was quite hot day, I think.
And that's quite unusual for this time of year?
Yes, I think the typically we have rainy days at this season.
At this time of year, yeah. Cool. All right. How about Yuri?
Today is cloudy. Today was cloudy. The clouds warm dark.
That's fine. That's fine if that's all.
Yes.
Is that normal weather for this time of year?
Yes, no more weather.
It's normal? Okay. Cool. All right. Alexander from Dnipro, how about you?
It's a rainy day. The sun is not shining, and the sky is gray.
The sky's great. Okay. Olenka?
Day was a sunny, dry day, but in evening the weather became cloudy and windy.
Cool. Awesome. Who's left? Has everybody had a turn? I think everyone, if I've missed anyone, just let me know. I think that's everybody. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about different activities that people do during different types of weather. So we did a little bit of this at the start. So what I like to do in the summer is go to the beach with my dog. And even if I say that word, my dog gets excited because she thinks we're going to the beach. So that's one of our favorite things to do in the summer is go to the beach and go swimming. Why don't we go around the room? Just pick one season and then tell us about something that you like to do during that season. Would anybody like to go first?
Can I try, Sandy?
Go ahead.
I think we can describe spring because it's a wonderful season. Usually, people in my country have a lot of free days in spring. I think it can be month May. We usually go to outside and we have some I don't know, some relax outside near the nature, near the river, because weather is in May quite hot. The weather we don't have any rains, and people in my country like spend time outside
Mm-hmm.
in spring.
Mm-hmm. So when you say people have days off, do you mean there's lots of holidays in spring?
Exactly, yes,
Yeah.
exactly, because we have some holidays like 1st of May,
Mhm.
8th of May, and other.
That's good. That's good. So lots of long weekend days. What's your favorite thing to do in spring? Do you go fishing or camping?
Yes, yes. I mix both variant of relax. It
Yeah.
can be camping and fishing one time.
Camping and fishing at the same time. That sounds great. Sounds great. Awesome. Cool. Thank you. Would anybody else like to talk about things that they like to do in a particular season? Alex, does it snow in most regions of Ukraine in winter or just in the north?
Could you repeat, please?
Does it snow in most regions of Ukraine during winter or is just in the north?
Not exactly. I can't say that it's more in north of our country.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's too of snow on west of our country because we have a lot of mountains. We call them Karpaty.
Mm-hmm.
So they are quite high,
Mm-hmm.
and we have a lot of snow there.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't really snow here in Auckland in winter, but it only snows in the South Island of New Zealand in winter. Would anyone
Early,
Yeah. Sorry?
early in my childhood, we have much snow, but now we have snow a little, and only in February.
Okay, okay. And is that in Dnipro or is that all over the country? Okay, would anyone else like to tell us about a season? Maybe Yuri?
Okay. Honestly, I like all the season.
Mm-hmm.
For example, in summer I like swimming,
Mm-hmm.
camping. In winter I like skiing, and in autumn I like walking in the forest and travel, and like
What season is it that people go mushroom hunting, mushroom picking?
autumn, in autumn.
Autumn. Okay, autumn.
must be a lot of rain.
I see. See. Is that something you enjoy doing? Finding mushrooms?
No, it's dangerous for me.
Okay. I see. All right. Alexander from Odessa, would you like to tell us about your favorite season?
I say my favorite season is summer, but I like autumn because autumn because autumn people can collect mushrooms and harvest vegetables, fruits. It's in the Ukraine named autumn is cold autumn, cold autumn, gold autumn, gold autumn,
Yeah.
gold autumn. It's all.
What are your favorite fruits that come ripe in autumn? I really like pears and apples.
I grew up in Vinnytsia region. In Vinnytsia region, very big garden, apples garden.
Nice. Sounds
And
good.
every autumn I collect apples.
Yeah. Do you make them into what do you or your family make them into jam or preserves or cider?
No.
Just eat them?
My family collect apple and eat this apple of winter.
I see. Eat them in the winter. I see. Cool. Would anybody else like to talk about anything that they do during a season? Okay, I think maybe that's everybody. All right, so we're going to continue with some more exercises on this on Wednesday. So just keep looking through that list of vocabulary that I sent out in the Telegram chat. I'll send it to you by email as well. And yeah, I hope to see some of you again on Wednesday. And I hope you have a good start to your week. All right. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you later.
Thank you.
Yes, and thank you very much.
Bye.